The all-new Qashqai features a toned, sharp and modern style while maintaining its signature details. The styling reflects Nissan's global design language, notably the V-motion grille, floating roof and use of taut lines that generate muscular surface. The Qashqai's body stance is more purpose with prominent shoulder lines and extended wheelbase while sitting on 20-inch alloy wheels. The LED headlamps are slimmer and sharper and feature adaptive beam technology. In profile, the Qashqai appears more athletic and dynamic with a single caterline that runs across the front to the rear. The design of the rear lights creates a 3D effect when lit. The 2021 Nissan Qashqai will be available in 11 body colors with 5 two-tone combinations. The interior has also undergone a major redesign and feels more upmarket than before. Plenty of top-touch material has been employed throughout the cabin. The vehicle offers a larger 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and wireless Apple CarPlay. It also gets Nissan Connect along with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa support. Other features include a 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster and a 10.8-inch head-up display. The rear seats now offer 28mm additional knee room and the boot capacity has gone up by 50 liters. The rear door now opens wider up to 85 degrees for easier ingress and egress. The front visibility has also improved with the help of thinner A-pillar and repositioned OR VMS. In terms of powertrain, the new Qashqai will now get a 1.3-liter DIG T-turbo petrol engine in two states of tune, 138 bhp and 156 bhp paired with a 12V mild hybrid system with 270 Nm of max torque. With either 6-speed manual or Nissan's Xtronic CVT, the Qashqai will also be available with 2WD and 4WD configuration and will also benefit from bulk engine generation that will be stored in lithium-ion battery pack. The 4WD model also gets 5 drive modes: Standard, Eco, Sport, Snow and Off-road. A proper e-power model will also be available under Nissan's electrification push. It will be powered by a 154 bhp petrol engine with a powerful generator, inverter and 140 kW power electric motor of similar size and power output as found in Nissan Leaf. Under e-power, the ICE will only generate electricity while the motor will drive the wheels. It will also be offered with Nissan's unique e-pedal setup. Lastly, there's autonomous hardware on offers too from the newest generation of ProPilot. Sales of the 2021 Nissan Qashqai in the European and American markets should commence later this year.